If you want to learn what are outbound links and how to use them effectively, then you have come to the right place. Hello everyone, welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs. In today's lecture, which is lecture 36, we will be diving into the world of outbound links and how to make the most of them for effective SEO content writing. Outbound links are another essential element of optimizing your content for search engines. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the complete makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. So let's get started. Now, let's explore the intriguing realm of outbound links. Outbound links, sometimes referred to as external links, are links that originate from your website and direct your visitors to other external websites. They are essentially references or citations to other sources that provide additional information or context related to your content. For example, if you are writing an article about digital marketing strategies and you link to a reputable marketing statistics websites for data validation, that's an outbound link. Got it? Now, the importance of outbound links. Why are outbound links important? They provide credibility and context to your content. Outbound links can enhance the user experience by offering readers more information or resources. They demonstrate that you have done your research and are willing to share valuable sources with your audience. Outbound links can also help establish relationships with other websites and bloggers in your niche. For example, if your travel blog article mentions a specific hotel and you link to the hotel's official website, it not only adds credibility but also offers readers direct access to more information about the accommodation. Got it? Now, the types of outbound links. Similar to inbound links, there are various types of outbound links. First, we have informational outbound links, links to authoritative sources that provide data, statistics, or in-depth information related to your content. Next, we have reference outbound links, links to articles, studies, or publications that support or complement your content. Next, we have partner or collaborative outbound links, links to websites you have partnered with or collaborated with for mutual benefit. In last, we have affiliate outbound links, links to products or services you are promoting as an affiliate marketer. Got it? For instance, if you are writing a technology review blog, you might include informational outbound links to official product pages, reference links to relevant articles, and affiliate links to e-commerce websites where readers can purchase the products. Got it? Now, let's discuss how to use outbound links effectively in your SEO content. Relevance and quality. Ensure that the outbound links are relevant to your content and lead to high quality, reputable sources. Link placement. Place outbound links naturally within your content where they provide value and context. Open in new tabs. Consider setting outbound links to open in new tabs so that your readers can easily return to your content. Balance. Strike a right balance between outbound and inbound links to maintain a good user experience. Clear attribution. Clearly attribute the source of your outbound links with proper anchor text or citation. For example, if you are writing a health blog post about the benefits of a specific diet, you might include outbound links to specific studies and research papers that support your claims. Got it? Now, the role of outbound links in SEO content writing. Outbound links play a significant role in SEO content writing. They enhance your content's credibility by referencing authoritative sources. They enrich the user experience by offering additional information or resources. They can contribute to building relationships with other websites and bloggers in your industry. Consider a scenario where your finance blog article about investment strategies includes outbound links to trusted financial news websites. These links not only validate your content but also provide readers with up-to-date information. Got it? So now, in conclusion, we can say that outbound links are a valuable tool in SEO content writing. Use them strategically to provide credibility, enhance the user experience, and build relationships. Remember to maintain the quality and relevance of your outbound links for the best results. Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will continue to explore advanced SEO content writing techniques. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 36, where we learned about outbound links and how to use them effectively. If you are looking for exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.